Saint Dominic was a Castilian priest and founder of the Dominican order. Dominic is the patron saint of astronomers. Halfway between Osma and Aranda de Duero in Old Castile, Spain. He was named after Saint Dominic of Silos. In the earliest narrative source by Jordan, Dominic's parents are not named. A later source, still of the 30th century, gives their names as Una and Felix. The story is told that before his birth, his barren mother made a pilgrimage to the abbey at Silos and dreamt that a dog leapt from her womb, carrying a flaming torch in its mouth, and seemed to set the earth on fire. This story is likely to have emerged when his order became known after his name as the Dominican order. Dominicanus in Latin and a play on words interpreted as Dominicanis, literally dog of the Lord. Dominic was educated in the schools of Palencia, where he devoted 6 years to the arts and 4 to theology. In 1191, when Spain was desolated by famine, young Dominic gave away his money and sold his clothes, furniture, and even precious manuscripts to feed the hungry. Dominic reportedly told his astonished fellow students, "Would you have me study of these dead skins when men are dying of hunger?" Around 1205, Dominic, along with Diego de Acabo, the Bishop of Osma, began a program in the south of France to convert the Cathars, a Christian religious sect with Gnostic and dualistic beliefs, which the Roman Catholic Church deemed heretical. In 1215, Dominic established himself with 6 followers in a house given by Peter Silla, a rich resident of Toulouse. Dominic saw the need for a new type of organization to address the spiritual needs of the growing cities of the era, one that would combine dedication and systematic education with more organizational flexibility than either monastic orders or the secular clergy. He subjected himself and his companions to the monastic rules of prayer and penance, and meanwhile Bishop Fulos gave them written authority to preach throughout the territory of Toulouse. Also in 1215, the year of the 4th Lateran Council, Dominic and Fulos went to Rome to secure the approval of the Pope Innocent III. Dominic returned to Rome a year later and was finally granted written authority in December 1216 and 1217 by the new Pope Honorius III for an order to be named the Order of Preachers. Dominic made his headquarters in Rome. He arrived in Bolgana on 21st December 1218. A convent was established at the Mascarilla Church by the Blessed Reynold of Orleans. Soon afterwards, they had to move to the Church of San Nicolo of the Vineyards. Dominic settled in this church and held here the first 2 general chapters of the order. According to Guéron, Dominic abstained from meat, observed stated fasts and periods of silence, selected the worst accommodations and the meanest clothes, and never allowed himself the luxury of a bed. When traveling, he beguiled the journey with spiritual instruction and prayers. He also states that Dominic frequently traveled barefoot and that rain and other discomforts elicited from his lips nothing but praises to God. Dominic died at the age of 51, according to Giraud, exhausted with the austerities and labors of his career. He had reached the convent of Saint Nicholas at Bologna, Italy, weary and sick with a fever. He died at noon on 6th August 1221. His body was moved to a simple sarcophagus in 1233. Under the authority of Pope Gregory IX, Dominic was canonized in 1234. In 1267, Dominic's remains were moved to the shrine made by Niccolo Pisano and his workshop. The spread of the Rosary, a Marian devotion, is attributed to the preaching of Dominic. The Rosary has for centuries been at the heart of the Dominican order. Pope Pius XI stated, "The Rosary of Mary is the principle and foundation on which the very order of Saint Dominic rests for making perfect the life of its members and obtaining the salvation of others." For centuries, Dominicans have been instrumental in spreading the Rosary and emphasizing the Catholic belief in the power of the Rosary.